After Lenovo ThinkPad, Lenovo Gaming Legion also has an unusual bright tag. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H released in 2023, but still expensive. Its current price is $1,979. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H is a model released in 2023 year. Its shape is not seen. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H comes equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i7-127008 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, 8GB GDDR6 Graphics. It also has RAM 32GB DDR5, 4800 MHz, and storage 1TB M.2, 2280 SSD PCIe NVMe option, offering flexibility for multitasking. The laptop includes hypercool technology, which combines a dual-fan cooling system, anti-dust cooling, and to keep the laptop temperature in check during demanding tasks. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H is screen look opaque, but when we use it for a long time, it prevents our eyes from hurting. It comes with a display 16-inch WQHGA 2560 by 1600 IPS 165 Hz, also make the picture look clear. It has a nice keyboard with good travel, and its RGB with backlighting is bright and does not bother our eyes. With the 80W battery for cell-ion, but battery life on, we expect around 3 to 4 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H comes with various ports, including USB 4, DisplayPort 1.4, Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI, networks and headphone/microphone jack, Bluetooth compatibility, and the most recent Wi-Fi standard are examples of wireless connectivity. Lenovo Gaming Legion 5pro 16IAH7H is a solid choice for you use normal and play game designer. Before you buy, think carefully about yourself.